Giving very much matted. We don't like that. So
baby, I'm back by popular demand.
Hey guys, welcome back. You're watching On Simone with your girl Simone. If you're new, hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it at the end. If you're returning, hey girl, hey, what's up? In today's video, we'll be doing a review on my natural hair wigs that I have recently purchased. I've had these wigs for about 3 weeks to a month now, and I have worn them heavily, so they have been through a lot. So I'm giving you a true and genuine review on how they hold up. First up, we have Sensational Curls, Kinks & Co. Heartbreaker wig in 1B. This is what she looks like. You may have seen, if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, and I'll link those below so you can follow me. I did a reel and a TikTok in regards to this wig, and I love it. It looks so natural. It has a comb at the top and a comb at the bottom. It is very much a natural kind of blowout texture with, what is it, flexi rods type of style. I love the curls. As you can see, the camera is definitely picking up. I remodeled my bathroom and I thought this was in my hair, and I left it on and got paint in it. So I'm probably just gonna take it and try to cut it out. This wig is kind of tangly, so I will be attempting to, see, more paint. I will be attempting to put it in fabric softener, the fabric softener method. If you don't know or haven't heard about it, you put warm water and fabric softener in a bin and dip your synthetic wigs in it. It's supposed to essentially make it soft. Synthetic fibers are essentially a type of fabric, so we will see if it works on these. If not, these wigs were definitely under $20, and I believe some of them were probably under 15 as well, so I'm not really why is y'all racing cars? It's like 5 a.m. It's literally 5 a.m. when I'm making this video. But anyways, like I was saying, the fabric softener method essentially is just supposed to make the curls and the hair softer because it is a type of fabric. So yeah, I will insert clips of me wearing this hair. I really like it. The curls, I did finger comb them out because they were a bit more uniform when I took it out of the pack. I will also insert that clip as well of what it looked like strapped to pack. Essentially, it kind of looked the way it does here. So the way these curls look here is how it looked. It just gave really Shirley Temple-ish vibes, and I just simply took my hand and separated the curl, and yeah, to give it some body as well as not be so uniform. I don't essentially like how the top part is matted, but I did only wear this in a half up, half down. So when I'm wearing this up and this part is uniform, I really don't mind it because it just looks like a cleaner style. But nevertheless, we're gonna try to get the paint out and make it soft. Up next, we'll be moving on to our Janet Collection Gabrielle 1B wig, and I had a difficult time finding this wig because I thought it was a U-part wig, and it was not a U-part wig. It is actually a T-part wig. It has a deep part, and I believe the part is a 3 to 4 inch part, I want to say. And I got it in 1B. Like I said, I originally saw this wig on Queen of Hearts channel, and I loved it. It looked absolutely amazing on her, and she has naturally long hair, so essentially I thought it was her hair, but it was in actuality a wig. So I hurried up and, like I said, tried to purchase this, and I asked her so many questions on how to find it until I actually did, because I wanted it. I probably should have asked her about maintenance because she had hers for about 2 years. I've only had mine for 3 weeks, and it is every bit of mangy. I will also be dipping this in fabric softener as well to try to see if I can get it to be soft and get the curl patterns back. But if not, again, I would be repurchasing this wig as well. I really like this wig. I like it. It doesn't look so cheapy either with the parting space. I did go in and kind of pluck the parting a little bit more than what it came with. And also, as you can see, I put powder, concealer and powder over the parting to look like a natural part to match my natural parting. Kind of sort of, it's a little bit darker, but when I put makeup on and then contour and things of that nature, it blends. So yeah, this is, out of the two I got, I want to say this is my favorite. I think this is more of my favorite for going out somewhere. So on an everyday basis, the first wig is what I would wear like on an everyday basis, regular. But for brunch or to somewhere important or to work, maybe this would be like my natural work hair. So definitely recommend. I would give this one a 10 out of 10 as far as look wise. If you're going for like a 2-week style, if we're going on longevity, for me to have had a synthetic wig and it be only 3 weeks to a month in and it already looks like this, I'm not a fan. But that could also be something on my end that I did to where it looked like this. I have other synthetic wigs and they've never turned out like this fast, so I'm not really sure. It's getting very much matted. We don't like that. So next we'll be moving on to our Organic Pony Pro Easy Wraparound Ponytail in Super Curl 32 inches 1B. Everything that I purchased is in 1B. My hair is like 1B and the ends are brown. Sometimes after I put product in it, it gives very much 1 vibes instead of 1B. It be all over the place. I don't really know what color my hair is, to be honest with you. But this is our pony. If you watch my try on haul, one of the dresses, I inserted a picture from brunch a couple Sundays ago, and I had this pony in. It's very long, 32 inches, very curly, and surprisingly I've had this one for the same amount of time. I purchased all 3 of these at the same time, and this is not matted whatsoever, and I've definitely put this on and thrown it around a lot. I also like this because it gives very much the messy bun look when you wrap it. So I've worn it in a ponytail, and I've also worn it in a messy bun or a top knot bun. This is the hair that I had in on my fall Goodwill try on haul. If you have not watched that, make sure that you click on the end credits on that video and go ahead and watch it and give it a thumbs up if you like it. I did find some amazing finds in that video. The middle part, bomb. So very casual as well as formal with this pony. You can go both ways with it. I do wish that, well, no I don't. I was gonna say I wish it was in like a shorter length, or I purchased it in a shorter length, but I'm lying. So lastly, this is one of the more, it's still affordable, but it's like the mid-affordable range. I'm not breaking pockets. This is nowhere near, it's not even gonna cost you $100. It's under $100, and it is the Love Me Deep Curly Headband Wig. This one is a natural hair wig, and this has also been sitting in my corner under some pillows, so it is a tad frizzy. But with this, if you have hair in 3B to 4A range, then you know in order to keep your curls vitalized, you have to use a lot of products to revitalize your curls. So because I am not accustomed to that hair type, I was not putting products in this hair the way I was supposed to. I simply was just spraying it with a mister spray bottle, wetting it, and using my fingers to curl it out, or a wide tooth comb, and that's just simply not what you do. So I will be putting conditioner in this one and putting it in the microwave for like 2 minutes for a deep condition, and then washing it out and seeing what she gives. I love this. It's easy throw on, 2 combs in the top, 1 comb at the bottom, and then this elastic band that is Velcro. I simply adjust the comb in the back and in the front, and then I adjust the Velcro strap, so when you want to put it in a ponytail, you will see the headband and not the nape of your neck. It's bomb. This was my summer go-to style. I don't really wear my hair out simply because I have a lot of hair. It is very thick. It's like a 3-hour process for me just to get all of that out the way, and I just really don't have that kind of time anymore as a mom. So I need quick and easy styles as well as natural styles, protective styles for my hair. With doing so, my hair has gotten a lot longer. Ponytail be ponytailing, like my ponytail be up here and the end be right here, and I be at end, you know. So I'm really hype about that. But if you've stayed this long to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below which one is your favorite, and subscribe if you are new, and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. I am going to be changing my schedule up for posting videos. Originally it was on Sundays, but it just seems like, you know, that's just not supposed to be my thing, because my videos have not been uploading at the fastest speed for me to even be able to put those out on Sundays. They normally take like a day and a half to upload into YouTube, so it's giving very much Monday vibes. So I will start posting videos on Mondays, and I'm starting to do 2 videos a week now. So I'll be posting on Mondays and Thursdays. So stay tuned for the new content coming on Thursday. But again, if you've stayed this long, thank you so much, so much, so much. Hey girl, hey. Bye girl, bye. Make sure you stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Always peace and love.